I'm like so excited to just put my beats on, drown out the world, listen to my music. I'm gonna make like some food, I'm gonna bake a cake, and this is my Christmas vlog. I'm gonna be opening my gifts with my family via FaceTime because I am not with them, and letting y'all spend a Christmas alone in Atlanta with me. First, gotta pump my lips.
Corners of a mechanic in my piece, a push a P. Cop no hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spotted cuff smack, different please. Drop the data, now we plotting inside the bees.
Got me some new slippers, so I'm gonna be wearing these with my PJs that she sent me. Our matching PJs, my long distance matching PJs. I love new slippers because they're so taut. But yeah, I love how they fit, so like they're just so formed to your foot. It's the little things that make me happy on the holidays. Like
head for P, she turned heads me on push a P. I'm capital P, I write these presidents, count presidents. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave cause she keep a P. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy paint, bitch, I'm pushing P.
oh, this is so cute. Yeah, I already can't hear. There's nothing even playing. What did I get, Sky? Is it my Coach bag? Wow. Vlog.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Time goes along, I don't know where I'm going. You be on my phone talking about what's my problem. I done go alone and get it how I want it. Had to be alone to figure out how I should be loved. And if it's just us, is that enough? Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? Both dangerous, moving so close we combust. Is it bad that I want more?
Merry Christmas.
And too late for us. We both scared of love.
Deep breathe. Christmas is always like one of those holidays that I love, but honestly, Christmas has not been the same for me since like my senior year of high school. So being around family definitely makes me like happy or whatever, just to like still be together and everything like that. So this year it just is like an emotional roller coaster. Plus I'm dealing with the fact that I am about to move out of my apartment, so I'm just like trying to wrap my head around that. And then I'm about to have a whole new, like, I quit my job. It's just so much on my brain. And like literally yesterday while I was at work, one of the older ladies that I was helping, she was just like, you know, don't get discouraged. And she was like, I'm just telling you what God told me to tell you. And she's like, don't get discouraged. Be still. God says that you get discouraged really easily. And I have been feeling a lot of like emotion of just being discouraged of my next journey in life. And although I feel like I'm making the right decision, I also am like feeling very heavy about it. It's a lot. And I don't know. So I have like a lot of emotions today. And yeah, a couple of years I've been in and out for the holidays because I have to be to work Christmas Eve and I have to work the day after. So I'm trying to like wrap my mind around soaking up as much time as I can. And this year, I'm just gonna vibe out. I can't wait to put my beats on and just blast music because I just need it so bad. This is the XOXO bracelet that my mom got me for my birthday. It's super big, but since I'm in the house, I was like, why not put it on? I don't think I could really wear it outside the house because I can literally like take this off like this. So, but yeah, I was able to put this on today. She got it for me because I had an XOXO bracelet and someone stole it. So she says she's been searching for like a really long time to find me another one. It's not the exact one that I had, but yeah, it's something that I really wanted. And so I just decided to put that on today because yeah, it's just like, we need some love. On a positive note of things, I do feel how I feel, but at the same time, I am very excited for being able to focus on my passions and everything that I love. I have some great things that I've been thinking up in my mind, like the creative juices have just been flowing ever since I quit my job, and like I'm like, yeah, I'm about to go hard. So there's like a lot of things that I'll be able to do that I wasn't able to do before with my job. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm excited to just be able to just be free, and yes, a long time coming, like 2 years. 2 years of being hostage, 2 years of being in jail, basically. Yeah, 2 years of that job giving me nothing. So I'm excited, like, although I'm excited, like I'm ecstatic, like but I'm also feeling the pressure of the unknown and the pressure of just like everything is not the way it's supposed to be. You know, a lot of people say like when something is right for you, it's supposed to be easy. So in the back of my mind, it's not like flowing. But my life has never been that way. And I just feel like God told me the other day, like, your story has always helped someone else. Your story has always been your own testimony. And I feel like, I just have to share my story with the world. So it's not as easy as it may be for everyone else. So, just having those little messages come to me, and other people speaking, God speaking to other people to speak to me as well when I just feel too frantic to even hear from Him. It makes me feel comfort, it makes me feel at peace, and it makes me feel like, you know what? I can take a deep breath and everything will be okay. Everything will be okay because it's always been okay. And I know that God has me, and I know that He's given me so much direction and encouragement to even just show me that this is what I'm supposed to be doing and this is what He wants me to do right now. And although it may not be what I want to do, I told God that I want whatever He has for me. So I have to remember that. So, yes.
I had 200 for lunch. That's how I fucked on the cunt. 24 shows in a month. Till that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crush. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly red, so I'm sipping a test. Go get it, I must. Fuck up good enough, pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My crew loyal, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Got that shit out there, ground in the mud. Yeah, look at it kiss, see what I mean? Gotta be faces, blue, pink and green. Fuck on the naked, what's on the spleen? Cross on the car, 3K for the jeans. Feel like a pill, keep a trick on my sleeve. I'm cool on you, dog, cause I don't want to flee. I'm smoking exotic, it don't gotta see. Been in the roof and I can feel the breeze. Pockets got nachos and some chili cheese. Smoking gelato, got me feeling knees. Might got that rolling for my oldest knees. I drop a hit on.
Gosh, this is so cute.
Hold me closer in these trying times. Supposed to be my baby. I need some help just like anyone else. Hold me closer in these trying times. Open your eyes, baby. You said you felt something for me.
Yeah. So this concludes my 2024 Christmas vlog. I pray that whatever y'all did today, y'all had an amazing day, whether you were with family, whether you spent it alone. I pray that you were able to relax, enjoy, laugh, have fun, vibe, whatever life gave you this year. I pray that you had an amazing time doing it, and I pray that you have many, many more. And yeah, this was just my little mini day, so hope y'all enjoyed it. Come back, like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah. Bisous, bisous. Ebony Nicole, out of here.